Howard Garrett, the Dirt Doctor, here with some advice on healthy living. You've probably heard the suggestion of removing worn-out soil and replacing with fresh material so your plants will start growing again. That's bad advice. Soil should never be replaced in an organic program. That only results from synthetic salt fertilizers and toxic pesticides. You can actually decontaminate and improve the health of any lousy soil. People who don't understand organics recommend removing diseased, contaminated, or even worn-out soil and replacing it periodically with fresh soil. Most of these folks don't understand the continuously improving condition of organically maintained soil. If your soil is contaminated with toxins, it can be fixed rather easily with the basic organic program. If your soil isn't contaminated with toxins or diseases and it's just worn out from using non-organic products, all you have to do is use my basic organic program and the recommended products. Organic techniques make the soil better with every application forever. You'll never have to consider soil replacement. Your plants will love it and you'll enjoy gardening more than ever. Just one of the economic benefits of the natural way. For all your gardening, pet, and natural health questions, or to join the Organic Club of America, visit dirtdoctor.com or our Facebook page for help, and tune into my talk show this and every weekend. Go organic and enjoy your healthy gardens.